Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you some essential Google Sheets skills, how to restore an older version of your file, efficiently search for keywords, and sort your data alphabetically. Whether you're managing a small project, collaborating with a team, or just keeping your stuff organized, mastering these tricks can absolutely save you time and undo a lot of headaches. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to protect your work, find what you need fast, and keep your sheets looking neat and professional. Let's dive right in. Let's start with restoring an older version in Google Sheets. Imagine you've made a ton of changes and suddenly realize you need to get back to how things looked yesterday or before a major edit. No worries, Google Sheets has your back here. Up at the top right corner of your sheet, you'll notice a little clock icon right beside the comments icon. Go ahead and click on that. If you're unsure which one, just hover your mouse over the icons. One should say version history. Once you click, you'll see a panel on the right displaying all the previous versions of your sheet, often labeled with automatic timestamps or even manual names if you've saved them that way. Take a moment to scroll through this list. Each entry is like a little time capsule showing you exactly what your data looked like at that point. Click on the version you want to go back to. Google even lets you preview what changed so you can be extra sure. Right up at the top left, you'll see an option that says Restore this version. Click it and your sheet will jump back to that moment in time. What's great is Google keeps the full history, so you can always reverse this step if you need. Don't stress if you aren't sure, nothing's ever truly lost as long as you have version history on your side. Now let's talk about searching for keywords or phrases in your sheet. Maybe you're hunting for a particular sales figure or just trying to track down the mention of someone's name. The quickest way is actually to use the handy search feature. Jump back to your sheet and simply press Ctrl and F together on your keyboard, Command and F if you're on a Mac. A small search box will pop up, usually in the top right, ready to help. You can type the exact word you're looking for or even punch in just the first few letters if you're not sure of the spelling. Instantly, any matching entry in your sheet will be highlighted. Makes it super easy to spot what you're after no matter how much data you have. It's a little tip, but it goes a long way, especially when your sheets start filling up with lots of rows and columns. Last but not least, let's sort our data. This is perfect for keeping things organized, especially if you're working with lists of names, products, or like in our example, salespeople. Suppose you have a column listing all your sales team members, but they're in some random order. No problem. Click once on the column letter at the top to highlight the entire column. Let's say it's column B for salesperson. Then just right-click anywhere inside that column. In the drop-down menu, you'll find Sort Sheet A to Z. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, your rows will reorganize themselves so that all your salespeople are listed alphabetically. This not only makes your data tidier, but can also help spot duplicates, missing entries, or trends. If you have more columns tied to your salespeople, like sales figures, the whole row gets resorted so your info stays together. Don't worry if it takes a moment, especially with large data sets. Google Sheets handles the heavy lifting for you. And that's it, you've just learned how to restore previous versions, search quickly by keyword, and sort your data. 3 must-know skills for working smarter, not harder in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another Google Sheets trick you want to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.